The Geneva Emotion Wheel is a visual tool used for self-reporting emotions. According to the paper by Coyne, the Geneva Emotion Wheel is a theoretically derived and empirically tested instrument to measure emotional reactions to objects, events, and situations. This means that it is a verified tool that enables the documentation of emotions. Multiple methods exist that help documenting and analyzing emotions. As Coyne stated, categorical emotional models separate emotions into semantically distinct states, whereas dimensional models map emotional states to a Cartesian space. Both these models have their pros and cons. They are too limited to represent the full range of emotions someone can have, and make it difficult to analyze the data in a meaningful way. Therefore, the Geneva Emotion Wheel was introduced, since it has both categorical and dimensional aspects, so that combines the pros and eliminates the cons of the two earlier mentioned methods. The Geneva Emotion Wheel has 20 slices that represent distinct emotions. These are mapped to valence, the horizontal axis, and control, the vertical axis. Besides that, it has the option to indicate that no emotion was felt, or to name another emotion that is not on the wheel. It also provides the opportunity to declare the degree to which you felt this emotion. This data can then be analyzed, and that will reveal the average emotion people experienced. This can then be used to see where it lies on the axis. This method is mostly used in HRI, human-robot interaction. It can be used to validate emotions displayed by the robot. The Geneva Emotion Wheel has quite some opportunities for usage, but also some limitations. These can also differ per model too. Categorical models, for example, have different limits than the dimensional ones. In general, the Geneva Emotion Wheel represents a wide range of emotions, is intuitive to understand, and can aid in the design of synthetic emotions. On the other hand, an important limit is that the method assumes that all emotions can be pre-labeled. GEO can serve for different purposes, such as measuring the emotions of robots, or serve as a tool for emotion-driven design. The categorical models have as large pro that they are simple and easy to analyze through statistics. On the other hand, the framework is quite limited and cannot fully represent the true complexity of emotions. The dimensional models are better in representing the complexity and range of possible emotions, but a large limit of the method is the lack of complementary statistical methods. Visualizing the finding of the dimensional models is often difficult and unintuitive. An interesting usage of the Geneva Emotion Wheel method could to analyze emotions of robots. In the future, it will be desirable for robots to have a wide range of emotions. A lot of emotion studies are based on facial, bodily, and vocal features. These studies could not be applied to robots, because of their non-human features. The Geneva Emotion Wheel methods can maybe help robots to communicate emotions. The Geneva Emotion Wheel could be of large potential for robots. Firstly, to measure the perceived effect, and secondly as tool to design the effective interfaces.